Jong ba kejela kurat sangma ula pentip bak sorkar kandang ha ban kmi bniah bha kumno ban pynlong ya ktien khasi bat Garo kum ki official language ni ki ktien sorkar jong kejela Meghalaya namar kejenge kan mi habai de bak jingtho iki kot kisla sorkar la ban kedau hang ni ba ha kini ki kendiat benai baladep na kaliang ka khasi auto society bat kum juro ka new trap achik national movement kiladep bandawa nak sorkar ba kadai ban itu ya ktien khasi bat Garo kum ki official language jong kejela Meghalaya haba keren sigalat pathai kubor menteri rangba kejela ulong ka kaman pynlong official language kan syong ha kejing batai bniah ya kejing mut jong ka kentien official language kumta ngihap ban kmi bniah bha namar bakindon kejing ya kiba kinya kendu ha bayade berkejing tho iki kot kisla hakikam jong ke sorkar shu ulaong balada kile haka ktien Garo hato kani kan penmi in em ya kejing e bat kumno ngin le ya kani lada jia ba u officer udai bakran khasi bat english ula berabru da ka baong badai halor kani bana gleng jok sorkar ka haban kmi bniah bha shwaban shim ya karai baniah chakmat.
Basically, as I said in the earlier times also, the issue of declaring an official language depended on the definition of what official language means. So therefore, all these aspects are even being examined even today. There are logistical challenges in terms of simple aspect, as I said, that tomorrow, if the file notings in the government files, can be done in, say, Garo language. Will that be an issue or not? How will we handle that? So the files, if somebody makes a noting in Garo, then suppose there's an officer who speaks khasi and English, is not able to then make comments or understand, then we will have challenges in governance process also. So if those kind of aspects are going to be included, if it's official language, then how do we overcome that challenge? Or if we remove that aspect and say, well, government communication in notings in the files will not be in, need not be in khasi and Garo. Well, will that then meet the definition of being official? So we'll have to see all those aspects and then only decide on how we move ahead with this. Because yes, as a government and as a chief minister of the state, definitely we would want it to be included as an official language, both khasi and Garo. We would definitely want it. But what does it mean? And how do we handle the consequences of that? And if notings in the files, as I said, have to come in khasi and Garo, and how will the officials deal with that, and what will it have impact on governance? Just one example I'm giving. We have to examine all of these aspects and then take a call.